greetings, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Ladyzion Sweethome. In today's video we are going to be making black soup. There are different types of black soup. This one is the correct and the native black soup, the orishi black soup. This is what we are going to be making today, and if you don't want to miss this, stay tuned to this video so that you will know how it goes. If you are new to my channel, my name is Ladyzion Sweethome. If today is your first time coming across this great channel, you are highly welcome and you are well appreciated. And in this channel, we do cooking recipe, lifestyles and face mask tutorial. If you fall in any of these categories and you want to be among this beautiful family, you are highly welcome. So guys, without taking much time, let's go right into this video. And for my returning subscribers, you guys are awesome, amazing people as always. Thank you for always tuning in. May the Lord God Almighty continue to bless you. So guys, let's go ahead as we introduce our ingredients for this black soup. Crayfish. I have my crayfish. I have black pepper and garlic. This is salt and Maggi cube. Pepper. This is my Banga. Yes, you need Banga for this black soup cream. This is okporoko. I told you, this is orishi black soup. This is bitter leaf. I have my Oziza leaf here. Yeah, that's why I said there is different type of black soup. There is spinach black soup and there is normal black soup, the one we know right from Nigeria, like all this orishi with different healthy leaf, you understand? So this is the black soup we are making today. So this is Oziza leaf. We are going to be using 3 types of leaves. Utazi. This is Utazi leaf. I'm going to mix everything together. You guys know everywhere is getting cold now, so we need something like this kind of soup. We have our catfish. I'm going to be using catfish for this black soup. Wow. So you can see the type of meat I am using. All these are assorted meats, throat, ishaki, and rain goat leg as well. Assorted, efuku, everything is just so all the ingredients that I cook my meat with are the first time I cook it with few ingredients. You can cook your meat with all the ingredients you love, like you like. I will remove all the meats now. So we are going to open, as we wait for the okporoko water to get hot, I will open my Banga cream. And I'm going to whisk it with hot water. So this is it. I'm going to filter it. You see this? So I will whisk out the pot. So after whisking out the pot, this is it. I will filter it again. I didn't wash it because I just have to whisk out those so this time I will whisk out the water. Okay. So can you see this? This is looking beautiful now. So we are going to cover this and keep it aside. So at this time I will place this bowl here, and I will be adding here. So as we wait for the okporoko to get ready, I will put the banga. As the banga is cooking, we will take all the leaf. I will take it to the blender. I will go and blend everything. I'm going to blend it with dried machine because I want the leaf to be smooth, like smooth, because my water blender is not too perfect for this, so I have to use my dried machine. But if you bought this leaf, you have to, like, if you bought this leaf outside your house, you can wash it. You can make sure you wash it before using it. But this one was made for me by my mother, and it is looking clean, and I'm going to blend it with dry machine. Stay tuned, guys. So guys, everything have been well prepared. Like, I have washed the catfish, the okporoko, and the bitter leaf, utazi, and oziza have been blended. Can you see why dry blended machine is good for this? Can you see how it blends it? It's just like a powder. Can you see this? You can see because of the hot water I pour on the catfish, that is why it's looking half cooked. Can you see it? It's very good to pour hot water after washing catfish. And this is the okporoko. It has been washed as well. And this is the catfish. You can see how it's looking. So, and you know my banga is cooking already. Let me place the camera. I will just add the okporoko first. I will also add the dry pepper. You know, everywhere is getting cold. I need a little bit of pepper. I will also add the ginger and black pepper. I will add the crayfish. I will also add the Maggi cube. Don't bother breaking it. Everything is going to get met. I will now add the bitter leaf, the otokenadu of the soup. All the bitter leaf are all present. Like if you know utazi is very utazi is bitter, and oziza is another healthy leaf. So now I will add salted meat. I will add it now. I will not add salt now. I've steamed my meat with salt, and you know bitter leaf is, the more you add salt, the more you get bitter. So I will not add salt yet. I will keep the salt aside first. But I will add the fish because I want the fish to be cooked very well. But we are not going to be turning it like. We are not going to be turning it always. After putting this fish, I will just leave it, cover it, and let it cook so that this catfish will not destroy like starter. So guys, we are going to cover it and let it cook for some minutes. Don't go anywhere. Hi guys! Wow, this is looking so good. Like, this is black ofe, the black soup. The black soup we are talking about. A stick spoon to turn it so that the fish will not scatter. Like, everything is still full, so I don't want it to scatter at all. So if there is other way you cook your black soup, please let me know at the comment section. And if you have not tried this my own method, like with all this orishi, how I prepared it, make sure you give this a try and you are going to love it. Like, you are going to like it. This is good, but it's very bitter, but it's good. I will just add a little salt, just little. So guys, let me blow the gas. Oh my, this is looking so yummy. Can you see this, guys? Can you see this? Oh my word, this is looking so delicious, so delicious. The oil is not too much, everything is just accurate. Like, enjoy what you just watch. Please give it a huge thumbs up. Subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. Make sure you put on the notification bell in case anytime I put on a new video you will be notified. Share this among your friends and family. Thank you. See you in my next video.